Dear student, earlier I have told you that prepare this type of table in your notebook. I have sent the tips to you how to prepare this table. In whole two page, please prepare this table, and then remember one thing: when you look at books, your textbook or guide, this column is not given in your textbook or guide. Types of transaction. Friends, this is the basic concept, so I have taken this column, type of transaction, extra. Now, start a business by rupees 11,000. Now think, what type of transaction it is? It is cash transaction. Cash. No person name is given. So cash transaction, type of transaction, cash transaction. Now think over it. What is integrated account? I have taken this example before, which are not included in your textbook, and we have taken this example. So integrated account, cash comes in. So first cash account, and then cash, giver of cash is owner of business. So capital account is comes in. So there are two accounts, cash account and capital account. Cash account comes in. Cash comes in business. So cash account debit. Debit what comes in? The rule given by Luca Pacioli. Real account, cash is real account, and cash comes in, so cash account debit, and giver is owner, so capital account, and second account capital, giver, credit to the giver, so capital account CR, personal account, capital account CR. So entry comes cash account debit to credit, capital account credit. Now this is the procedure of this to prepare this table. These are, you have to put empty. Now second, goods of rupees 10,000 purchase. Which type of transaction it is, friends? It is cash transaction because person name is not given. So cash transaction. So cash comes in, the goods comes in, and cash goes out. Cash goes out, the credit what goes out, credit effect, cash goes out, cash account, credit. Cash in real account. And goods, another real account. Goods comes in. So when goods comes in, purchase account comes. So purchase account, real account, purchase account, debit. So entry comes purchase account debit to cash account credit. Now third, sold goods of rupees 18,000 to Jayesh. Now person name is given, friends, so it is credit transaction. And credit transaction, one name, one account is Jayesh account. And goods sold, you have sold the goods. So Jayesh is the receiver. So debit to the receiver. Personal account Jayesh, debit to the receiver. So Jayesh account debit. And goods goes out. When goods goes out, it is considered as sales. When goods comes in, considered as purchase. And goods goes out, it is considered as sales. So goods goes out, real account, another real account. Goods goes out, sales account. Now, 500 paid for wages. Paid word use. Cash goes out. So cash account, cash transaction, and paid in cash goes out. Cash real account, cash goes out, cash account credit. And paid for wages. So wages is expense. And all the expenses are income are considered as nominal account, friends. So in nominal account, wages paid, wages account, here. Debit the expenses or loss. Debit the expenses or loss. Pay wages expense, so you have to debit wages amount. Interest rupees 300 received. Received what is you spent, so it is considered as cash transaction. Received and cash comes in. When cash comes into you, you have to debit. Now cash real account, cash comes in, cash account debit, and receipt or interest. So interest is your income. All the incomes are considered as nominal account. So you have to put it in nominal account. Which type of income? Interest. So interest account. Now, weighing machine purchase. Weighing machine purchase, no person name is given, so cash transaction. When you purchase something, cash goes out, cash real account, cash goes out, credit what goes out, cash account, credit. And purchase weighing machine is your assets. When assets comes in, real account, assets comes in, and it is considered a dead stock. So dead stock account, dead stock account debit, and cash account credit. And goods of rupees 2000 received as pre-sample. When you receive goods as pre-sample, it is considered as non-economic transaction, because friend, no one can do business of receiving sample goods. When you give goods for free sample, it is considered economic transaction. It is a advertising. You goods give some goods to other for the advertisement of your goods. So when good receive non-economic transaction, but when goods distributed as a free sample, it is considered as economic transaction. Thank you, friend. Note down this in full page, friend, full page. I have sent you pics how to prepare table in your notebook. Prepare this and write down this example. Thank you.